Alright, so pro tip whenever you're planting these sedges is you're going to want to make sure and not cover up the crown. If you do, they will rot and they will die. So just want to kind of clean them off a little bit to where nothing's really on top of them. When you're planting them, if you can, don't bury the leaves. They don't like that. So yeah, just kind of work your way around if you're coming in after the fact like me, and just get as much of it off as you can. I'm gonna pull them out, and that is going to greatly increase the longevity of their life. And there you have it. Just a little bit of difference makes all the difference.